right? In this video, we're going to create a duplicate record for Anthem, as you can see on the page live, and then see how it appears on the duplicate graph view in Customer City, right? The duplicates, as we all know in Salesforce, can create confusions and clutter, resulting in inaccurate reports and maybe even lost opportunities. Mm. Mhm. Before we even jump and create a duplicate record for Anthem and Salesforce, let's go and check to see if there is a duplicate record for Anthem already exists or not. So I'm going to go to graph view. Once I'm in graph view, looks like there are some duplicate records. So I get a notification. So to view all the duplicates, either I can click on view all, or I can go to duplicate records view page. So this is a unique duplicate view page where you can see duplicates across different objects. At this time, you can see account, opportunity, contact, and lead duplicates, and then you can triage them and then fix them. So let's see if there's a duplicate for Anthem exist or not. So I'm going to type in Anthem. So it doesn't look like I have a duplicate record for Anthem as a record. However, I see there are duplicate opportunities across other account because of the common nomenclature, but doesn't have a duplicate record for Anthem. In order to verify this again, I'm going to click on Anthem. And then if there is a duplicate record, you will see a notification on the top saying that there is a duplicate exists for Anthem. Well, so what I'm going to do is go back to Salesforce and then create Anthem and say customer, and that's it. I'm not going to put in a lot of information at this time. I'm going to click on save. All right, so we created another record for Anthem. So as you can see in Salesforce right now, we have two records for Anthem. One is this one where you have the website address, type, industry, and other information, and it was created last year. And then you have recently created Anthem with type customer. Now let's go back to Customer City, and then once the duplicate is created, Customer City Intelligent Duplicate Detection Engine kicks in. In our duplicate graph view, as you can see, you can find a cluster of duplicate records. In this case, I'll find Anthem. Now, as you can see that I see two nodes for Anthem. In this case, if I zoom in, this was the originally created Anthem, and this is the newly created Anthem, as you can see over here, and which are near to each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Analyze and Merge Duplicates. So what it is doing behind the scene, it is trying to identify and give me the best possible values for each of the records in order to merge them into single record. So it looks like this is the one that we created. If you remember, we selected the customer type as customer, and this is a potential duplicate, and this is a 100% match. However, the system is telling us to choose these values over the others. The yellow ones are the different values that you can see, and the green one are based on our AI analysis. Based on our AI analysis, these values are the most accurate. And if you hover on these values, it gives a reason why it's selected a particular value, except the recommended merge values that our AI recommendation tool is suggesting, or you can choose your, or in this case, you can choose your own value. So either you can accept the recommended values, or you can choose your own values as you feel necessary. So I want to stick with my master record in this case, and I understand that this is a duplicate record that I created. So I will keep on all the values that I had originally. So this is going to be the master record. And either I can keep both the records or I can merge those records. So eventually, if I click on merge those records and go back to Salesforce, you will observe that the duplicate records, in this case, which only has the type customer, would eventually be deleted or merged with this record. If you have related records, those will be automatically merged. So let's go back and click on merge records. So right now it's doing the merge. All right, now that the account has been merged, let's go ahead and check in Customer City if the duplicates still exist or has that been fixed. So I'm going to search for Anthem. All right, doesn't look like the duplicate exists anymore, as I see only one Anthem record. So now coming back to Salesforce, we had originally created two Anthem records. This was the primary master record that we selected in the customer city app, and this is what we decided to merge it. So if I refresh this page, you should not be able to see this record anymore. Let's check that out. And here you go. This record is no longer available because this has been merged with this original record. And this is how you fix it.